Drop your order, please. I need New Balance for the start.
Welcome to Shoes Restaurant.
Can I have half Jordan with extra Nike and a couple Air Force? Yo! Give me double flip-flop Nike and Jordan.
Welcome to Shoes Restaurant.
Can I order one fried croc and one safari boot? This is the True Balance diet. Waiter! What is going on down there? Give me crisp laces. Wait, how much is Timberland sauce? Waiter! Can I get half Jordan, crispy Crocs up steamed laces? Yo! Half fried Jordan, crispy Crocs and done steamed laces. Welcome to Shoes Restaurant, fam.